So this is a cool car that I got actually for myself, and when my godkids or my nephew comes over, but it comes with the actual car, the remote, a backup rechargeable validated battery. It's actually an extra one for the car itself, some tools, and it's a USB at the end with a little abductor, so you can actually stick it into that rechargeable battery and charge it up yourself. So that is way cool. The only thing you will need is a battery for the remote. This car, I have a lot of nice tile floors. I'm going to be playing around with it. I also live by the beach, so I'm going to take it in the sand and put it in water. It can actually drive in water too. So pretty cool. It's a nice little stress reliever. So nice little find.
I think my grandson's going to end up driving like his mother.
Honestly, look at your vehicle.